The Coal Ministry may issue a directive asking Coal India to sign 20-year fuel supply agreements with private power producers, guaranteeing to meet at least 80% of the contracted volume. Gargi Parikh from our research desk joins us for more. Gargi?
Well, there was a meeting in the last 2 days with the Coal Ministry and Coal India, and sources from the Coal Ministry tell us that the biggest point of difference really coming in terms of the 80% fuel supply guarantees that Coal India has been asked to sign with various power producers. The major concern because of which we are seeing the delay coming in the FSAs being signed is the contention that production may not really match up to meeting the 80% fuel supply agreement as per the PMO directive for Coal India. However, there are expectations that the discussion may be taken to the ministry level, and Coal India again will sit with the ministers in the next week itself for discussing the issue. Just to give you a background here, the PMO had directed Coal India to sign FSAs with various power producers by 31st of March. This date is surely going to be breached. That's what the Coal Ministry sources are telling us. The PMO had said that at least 80% of the coal requirement of power producers has to be met via Coal India. In case there is a shortfall, Coal India will have to import coal and substitute for the shortfall that we've seen. However, Coal India independent directors had opposed this, mainly because Coal India is not in a state right now to match up to the production that these power companies are asking for, and clearly that was the major reason of contention. But we'll have to wait and watch out for what happens in the next week's meeting.